Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this baking lesson video, I will show you how to make peach cobblers. They're best enjoyed warm with vanilla ice cream. They're super easy to make. Let's go. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We'll be using ramekins like this. Put them out on a tray. These ramekins with 1 tablespoon of butter in each of them, we'll be putting them into the preheated oven. While the butter is melting in the ramekins in the oven, the first step is to prep the peaches. I'm doubling this recipe, so below you'll find the recipe 1 eggs, I'm doing 2 eggs. So the peaches, you want to remove the pits and cut them into slices. Toss the peaches with the sugar. Set it aside, and while we're prepping the rest, what will happen is that they will release juice and you'll have this sweet peach juice. Grate nutmeg. The batter is super simple. In here I have 2 cups of flour with 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 pinches of salt, and now I'm adding half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. As always, a good practice in baking is to mix the dry ingredients together. Put the dry ingredients through a sieve. Add the rest of the sugar. Mix it up. The flour mixture is incorporated with the sugar, and I'm going to start it at low speed and add 2 cups of milk into it as I'm mixing. Unlike some of my other recipes, desserts like sponge cake and angel food cake, this is super easy. You can basically mix it by hand. I still use my stand mixer, but it was just a quick mix and the batter is ready. Melted butter smells great. Next step is super easy. We'll just be evenly dividing this batter into the ramekins like this. Now we'll be adding the peaches into the ramekins. So you want to just place them on top. Very last step is to take this beautiful peach juice and to drizzle on top, and it will caramelize in the oven and make just that beautiful crust on top. Alright, these ramekins are ready to go back into the oven for 1 hour. Okay, they're ready. They smell so good. I'll show you how to serve them. You want to take one of these and place it on a plate, and then add the scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's so good. That combination of the warm dough, the peach, and the cold ice cream, it's simply perfect. Thanks for watching this baking lesson video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you look around my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. I hope to see you again.